Here are 11 of the best healthy foods men should eat daily to support overall health, vitality, and aging well. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens are nutrient-dense and support heart health, digestion, and muscle function. Berries, packed with antioxidants. They help reduce inflammation and support brain health. Nuts, almonds, walnuts, and other nuts provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber for heart and brain health. Oats. Whole oats offer fiber for gut health and help maintain cholesterol levels. Eggs. High in protein and choline, eggs support muscle health and brain function. Salmon. A great source of omega-3s, beneficial for heart health and reducing inflammation. Greek yogurt. High in protein and probiotics, it supports gut and bone health. Avocado. Full of healthy fats, avocados support heart health and provide fiber. Beans and legumes. Rich in protein, fiber, and iron, they help with muscle and digestive health. Olive oil. A heart-healthy fat that supports anti-inflammatory processes. Sweet potatoes, full of fiber and beta-carotene. They boost immune function and promote eye health.